Z, vale. Desde A hasta Z. El alfabeto español tiene 29 letras, pero en alfabeto en inglés tiene solo 26 letras. En alfabeto español tiene más 3 letras. Y las 3 letras son Y, Ch y N. ¿Está claro?
Yes.
Vale. So, in Spanish alphabet, there are 29 letters. A, B, C, Ch, D, E, F,
Up to Z.
up to Z. And in English alphabet, there are 26 letters. 3 letters modes like A, Ch, E, N. But according to Royal Academy of Spanish, A, E, Ch, these 2 letters are not considered as letters in Spanish alphabet. So, according to Royal Academy of Spanish, now there are 27 letters. Clear? And in last class, we discussed the pronunciation of every letters, how they pronounce in word, like A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. And how they are pronounced? A, like father in English. For example, kama. Kama means bed. So, father. Father.
A-H pronounces A-H.
Yes, father. A, like leg in English. For example, comer, beber. E, como E in India in English. For example, dinero. Dinero means
Money.
yes. Ministro. Ministro means ministry. Okay. O,
Like in school. Port.
O. So, O in English, how O is pronounced in port? Like ropa. Comer. So, U. How U is pronounced?
Like in moon.
In moon, double O is pronounced same like U in Spanish. like Cuba, Guatemala. Clear? So these are the vowel sounds of Spanish alphabet. Clear? Okay. Now the consonant sounds. How the consonants are pronounced in Spanish words. Okay. Do you have any marker?
He's still there. He's coming. Just try this one.
Okay. So, B, I, U, B. B, I, U, B. These two letters have similar sounds,
Like bay.
like boy in English. For example, bonito. Bonito significa nice, good. It's an adjective. Okay. For example, verde. Verde. Verde means green. Not verde. The sound is very soft. Verde. So B and V, ve, I, uve, the same sounds. Where is cap? Verde. Verde means green. Okay. Se. It's a very important letter. Like after se, if the vowels O, A, I, U. After say, if the vowels O, A, U come, then the pronunciation will be ka. Like kama, bed. Comer, to eat. Cuba. This is a country name. So, after say, if the vowels O, A, U come, then the pronunciation will be ka. Kama, comer, Cuba. Next, after say, if the vowels E or A come, then the pronunciation will be se, sa. For example, cine. Cine significa cinema. Cena significa dinner. ¿Está claro? Vale. De, no, che. Che. How che is pronounced in Spanish? Like church in English.
She pronounced it cha.
See. For example, mucho. Mucho means much. Noche. noche means
Night.
night. So che is pronounced like ch. Okay. Then they is pronounced similar like in English, but the sound is soft. The
The.
like dinero, danza, danza, danza. Dinero means money.
Money.
Danza means dance. Okay. F, the sound will be pop. For example, football, football, football. Clear?
Clear.
Photo, photo, photo means photo. Okay. Now, the another important letter is K.
K. K.
K. So it's an important letter. Similar like say, after K, if the vowels O, A, U come, then their pronunciation will be G. For example, Goma. Goma means eraser. Gato, cat. Guatemala. So
This is country.
after K, if O, A, U come, then the pronunciation will be G. Goma, Gato, Guatemala. Clear? Okay.
Guatemala's name.
Yeah, Guatemala is a country name, Central American country. Now, after K, if the vowels E and A come,
He pronounced as A, double E.
E, yes, E and A come, then the pronunciation will be K. K. K, or you can say like kota. Okay. For example, Argentina, Argentina, Argentina or Argentina, Argentina. Okay. Gimnasio. Gimnasio means gym. Gimnasio. So after K, E. Gimnasio. Argentina. Clear? H is always silent in Spanish, like hola, not hola, hola. So that's why I said that the cab, Ola cab, that is spelling Ola, O-L-A, not H-O-L-A, because if the spelling was H-O-L-A, so we the Indians can make mistake. Okay. But actual, the meaning of Ola is wave. Okay, so Ola is silent, H is silent. Next, Khota. Khota, like K. For example, Mukher. Mukher means woman. Mukher.
Repeating the pattern, देखो.
Kefe.
हाँ?
Kefe means
हाँ मैंने अभी ऐड करा था ना वो. कार्ड से.
boss.
कितना?
Kefe. Clear? Okay. Ka. Ka is a foreign letter in Spanish alphabet. So that's why Ka is similar K in English alphabet. Like kilo, kilometro, etc. Okay. So Ka is a foreign letter. Similarly, W is a foreign letter in Spanish alphabet. So that's why the pronunciation will be same with English, like whiskey. Okay. So Ka and W, these two are foreign letters in Spanish alphabet. They came from another alphabet or others alphabet. Okay. Anyway. Okay, Ele. Ele. The pronunciation is same like English. Law. Laid. To read. Laid. Leche. Leche means milk. Okay. There is another letter, Aye. Aye. The pronunciation of Aye is like Y in yes. How? This pronunciation. Llamarse. To call oneself. Call oneself. Llamarse or llamar, to call. Like me llamo Naveen. Me llamo Naveen or me llamo Naveen. Clear?